I'm Ron from Kolleno, your go-to platform for accounts receivable management. Today, I will guide you through modifying pricing for a subscription in NetSuite SuiteBilling. So first, you need to access this subscription page that you are surely familiar with, and then you simply select the subscription that you want to modify by clicking on View. Then you will go in the top on Modify Pricing. So here you have options. For example, you can decide to tick the box to request off-cycle invoice for advanced charges if needed. Remember, the best way to send the invoices generated by your subscriptions is via the Kolleno Suite app. You can set the effective date, so by default it will show today's date, and then you will be able to select the requester as well as the modification type, new or churn, upsell or downsell, and ignored. When you're happy with it, you simply go at the bottom and you tick the items that you want to apply the change to. You can also change the new quantity here, discount and uplift. Once you're happy, you simply click on Save in the top left or bottom left, and that's how you modify pricing in SuiteBilling. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, and I'll be sure to see you in the next one. Bye bye.